Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. You see what's going on. Another red day in the market, man. I think this getting and being set up so we can get those interest rate cuts for next week on the 14th or the 17th. One on when he come on and talk. But anyway, we're gonna trade the market we in, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, these are all the plays that I had buy limit orders on and they were filled. Start Horizon Technology, 11 cent a share a month. As y'all know, I'm getting 5 shares of this every day. And it's low. It's low 679. Go ahead and get me them 5 shares.
Why do you not go to Jesus from there? I have been there.
579. We go with that. And while we're here, go ahead and get me a little fractional share, $3 worth. Just in case it ride itself up. Seemed like it was up and came back down. WEN Wendy's. Wendy's like below the 980 mark, 979 or something in there. Coming on down. I brought a bunch of this in my but he's not gonna let me trade it now, being I got a pattern day trading thing on. That's what I don't like about Robinhood, man. You can't make no money. 60 shares, 1028. Let me screenshot that and put that order back in later. So I take advantage of this right here. Where is that? I got 2 positions. Got one in my Cash App that I did go hard in. I got average cost about 15 bucks. Go with CHCT, going to knock that one out. 1556. I'm at 1869. It's a nice REIT dividend play. Just looking at the stuff I got in my search history. Pretty much buying the same thing every day. Got Dow, DOW. That one's on its way up. Still gonna ride it on up for what it is. Just got a high upside to it. What do I mean? Got a 52-week high, 55.67. So get as much of that as you can just in case it goes back there. All right, let me stick to my list. All right, gonna go with FLO Flowers Food. Got down to 1440 today. Did trigger for that for y'all that need to lower your average cost. I will be exiting once I make my exit out of there. I will be done with it. If I do it again, gonna be just for a swing trade. Took a HRL, Hormel Foods. Another one coming on down. Like I said, I'm getting out the food industry. I sold Tyson Foods on yesterday. We're getting out the sector. Hormel got a 4.52% yield. 52-week low 23.71 with a high of 33.80. So that's another one I'm lowering my average calls in to make my exit out of. Another one, KHC. As you can see, all this food stuff is down. Right now, I don't care what nobody say. It's volatile. I did get some Kraft Foods today. I'm going to get some more right here, especially below the $27 mark. Got to buy to bring down that average cost. I'm going to go with YBit. Got a green day today, still under the $10 mark. This going to go back past the 10 buck mark. Well, we got today a low of 971. Go get me another share. To lower my average cost in this one. So play for income, USOI. Notice payout monthly. Options on crude oil. Got about a 22% dividend yield. Trading under the $55 mark. That's where I like it. Another $5 worth. Average cost at $64.89 now. MSTY. Another income play, $15.58. Hopefully this go back above the $18 mark. I'm at $17.23. YMAX, YMAX. Back over to $12.75. So I got the dollar cost average on in. Got my average calls. I like to buy it under the $12.50 mark. So we'll wait to after Thursday and see what it does after the ex-dividend date. OXSQ. Go in at 218 on this one. 5 shares, 2.18. Hopefully let's go back above the $3 mark. Anyway, getting 3.5 cents a share a month for the dividend for holding it. Got about a 19% dividend yield right now. Never had a dividend cut since I've been trading it since 2020. UPS, another one for y'all to go in and get. SCHD. Also another one, taking advantage at these prices here, $27.40. Got on $1 a day recurring. It's a buy and hold ETF. Got land. Gladstone Land. I think pay like 4.5 cents a share a month. Lower my average cost on this one also. Today's low, $8.84. 2 shares. I'm gonna get 1 share and I'm gonna get fractional share too. DEO, Diageo Liquor Company. I'm gonna exit out of these also. This and Brown Forman. I've been reading articles within this year saying, lately saying that, this generation, not saying it's a good thing, but they don't drink like other generations. They choose the marijuana and other stuff instead. They're more of a drug generation. So liquor sales are down, also due to tariffs and stuff, and just for the lifestyle habits. But they call them the boomers. They basically don't stop drinking and stuff just for their health. So liquor sales still, it's still something to be in. It's never going to stop. But I'd rather put my money in like Walmart or a something I know for sure people going at, Walmart, Amazon, something like that for growth. This don't pay, but got a decent dividend yield, 3.9%. But it's a cent stock, some people might call it, dealing with alcohols. It's like you got the smoking stocks, Altria and British American tobacco. Some people don't buy them because they had people die of cancer from smoking. You can also die of cancer from drinking. So I look at them the same. That don't mean I won't buy them. I mean, I don't have a heart when it comes to the stocks. Can't have a heart in this game and fall in love with stocks. Remember this money at the end of the day. Metafast. Like I said, building this up for another swing trade. Trade myself up out of this one. This a weight loss stock. RVSB, Riverview Bank. It's another one I'm gonna get out of. It's a small bank. I'm at 559. Need to be buying some of this to come down in 52-week low 440. 1.6% dividend yield because it did cut its dividend. It was paying like 6 cents a share every quarter. Now it's doing 2 cents. But as you know, with the interest rates being high, banks are catching hell. Market cap 104 million. I mean, like I said, it's a small bank. It's gonna be another one I'm gonna exit out of. I'm gonna start buying like 5 shares a day to bring that average cost down. How many shares I got now? Should be 400 something, if I'm not mistaken. 390. All right. CHPT charge point. At 1032. The fractional share. Like I buy this weekly. Buy 5 shares at the weekly low. I definitely like to buy it at the $10 and under mark. I already got buy orders waiting. USOY. This one green today. Not gonna bother that. I'm just start buying 5 shares a week of all the yield maxes at the weekly low, so I can get the lower price. PSEC got down to 281 today. You know, I'm going to get my 5 shares of this. There's also going to be a swing trade when it decides to go back above the $3 mark. But got to bring that average cost down. We did Dow, we did CHCT. All right, let's go check our traps. Ally Bank made a new 52-week high overnight. They stagging. Industrial gonna be another REIT I'm gonna get rid of. Western Union. It's nice, but that's gonna be another one I'm gonna get rid of also. Right now I got a good dividend, 10.88%. You got other stuff like SoFi banking and all this other stuff that's coming in. Like I said, that financial sector don't really have a moats. A lot of banks, Western Union just basically an international transaction company. I think they kind of do banking too. You can get one of their little debit cards or something too, but and you can also go there to pay your bills. For people that don't have accounts set up like Georgia Power and all that there, I just go on my phone and pay it through the app. So I don't think they're gonna get much play there. Got Ready Capital coming down. I should still be good. I'm at 381. Maybe when it go to the probably 385, I start buying and do another swing trade with it. Comcast down another 1.8%. It's another one I'm gonna get rid of when it make it back to its 52-week high, if it ever does. Like I say, the world is changing. 1238, 1361, let that come down some more. We're gonna got to get pets. 275, 272, got down to be another swing trade I'm gonna trade myself up out of. Got land on here, Metafast, CHCT. RPT I need to get. Pets, put that on my list. I don't know how I ain't slip with that one. TU Telus Communication Company also gonna be another one I'm gonna get rid of, just because of the ADR fees when they pay you in a dividend. For y'all asking what is that, they're gonna withhold an amount. See, I got 14.5 shares, paid 26 cents a share for the quarter. I got paid $3.79, but they withheld 67 cents of it, because this is a Canadian communication company. So you was in Canada, you wouldn't have to pay those, but being that this selling on the United States on our stock exchange, you got to pay those fees to hold it. But you will be able to write them off on your taxes when you get your 1099. You're going to see an amount withheld on it, and they're going to have a certain amount from all your ADR fees from that brokerage company for that whole year. So that's one thing about it. You can offset it on your taxes. But I'd rather just not go through it. I could just get Verizon, or they got about a 7% yield. They ain't got a higher market cap. Or I can go with a AT&T, can go with a T-Mobile. I don't have to deal with none of that, but that's mainly for a dividend. It's like a dividend play. AFCG down to 456 today. Glad I brought a bunch of that and sold it. The lower my average calls, I sold it when it's hit his little squeeze at $5.15. So I told me go in and dump it, take all that money back, rinse and repeat. IMKTA, I put a sale order in at $71. It's another one I'm looking to dump. That's a grocery store, stock, food sector. See, they've been having trouble making profits, so that's why I'm gonna get up out of it. Options on Disney. I'm going to lower my average cost and accumulate here. Build my position out. ARR ain't worrying about. They got to come down some more. That ARR been doing good. You haven't heard of me buying any lately. 1542. Still cheap enough to buy though. I think this a buy at night, 19 and under. This should go past $18 mark with no problem. FSK 1782, 1831. It's something our dollar calls averaging 2. Don't load up on nothing. Pays a nice dividend out monthly. It's building my position in it. Glad down another 1.21%. YMAG. Suns, Wendy's. We done got Wendy's. Just want to check it out one more time. I get another $3 right here, $5 right here. I ain't gonna load up on those shares. Just keep buying fractional shares. Loaded up enough on my other portfolio. Got YMAX, Fiat, PYPY. Definitely got to get this. At this price here. $10 worth a day, trading below the $11 mark. Gotta go check out the dividend yield on this one. That's a Yield Max, also pays out monthly. Most of this stuff has been spin off from other companies. CMBT. That's Marine Dry Bulk Shipping Company. AIPI. And that's it for now, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.